So I have two kids, and my son is currently going to be going into 5th grade, and so I'm hoping that once he has to do any homework that requires him to be online, hopefully this gets figured out before he's having to do that, so that we don't have to, go to the school early or drive to my sister-in-law's just so he can do his homework.
We moved from the cities 3 years ago, and had we known how hard it was going to be to get internet or how expensive it was to get internet at our house, we would have backed out of our purchase agreement.
For counties that are in these situations, we have to be very creative when we do feasibility studies. One or two options might be too expensive, which then leaves the county in a position of, okay, we can't afford it, what are we going to do?
Our role in the study is financial analysis, so we work with Finley Engineering, who does the engineering analysis, and then we just figure out if there's a way to actually make it financially work. So not every solution can be afforded, so it's important that we find something that can actually be done by somebody and still make money at it and still pay for it. So.
One of the main things why our citizens need broadband is for the educational part. A lot of our big school system here in the Waska school system gave all their students tablets to do their homework on. And they found out that after a few miles out of Glenwood, they'd have not the speeds to do their homework. Secondly, it's also for home businesses and agriculture and just for the regular use of modern technology.
So when we get involved in these county broadband studies, what we really like to do is take a deeper dive and try to figure out exactly what's going on in the county. Why aren't there services there today? What can we do to bring services there? And a lot of that involves talking with existing providers, nearby providers, and not looking at a single solution, but a host of technologies that will allow us to provide something that can actually get off the ground and improve broadband services throughout the county.
In the case of Polk County, we did not find one provider that would come in and serve the entire county with any type of solution, but we have been able to find multiple providers that would come in and each take little portions of the county. In one case, they would come in and build out one of the towns. In another case, they're willing to grow the area that they already have. And in some cases, they may not build fiber, they may just provide wireless for the time being.